Om Gam Ganapatye Namaha. Kaliyugada Kalpataru, the fifth delight, Sri Raghavendra Gurusarvabhauma. Chapter 79, The Knowledge Assembly at Srirangam. Continuing his spiritual journey, Sri Raghavendra Swami arrived at the sacred town of Srirangam and decided to observe Chaturmasya Vrata there. During this period, in response to the earnest request of the devout people, he also resolved to conduct discourses on Sri Madhva's philosophy, that is, Madhva Siddhanta. Eager to study and receive enlightenment from the revered Guru, students from Shri Mata, along with hundreds of devotees, gathered enthusiastically every day. With great systematic precision, Sri Raghavendra Swami commenced his teachings covering a vast range of sacred texts, including Pramana Paddhati, the 10 Prakaranas, that is, Dasha Prakaranas, the 10 Upanishadic commentaries, Dasha Upanishad Bhashyas, Brahma Sutra Bhashya, Rig Veda Bhashya, Bhagavad Gita Bhashya. He also provided detailed expositions on Anuvakyana by Sri Madhvacharya, alongside Nyaya Sudha, Tatparya Chandrika, Nyayamruta, Tarka Tandava. These discourses were accompanied by explanations based on the interpretations of Sri Vijayendra Titharu and Sri Sudhindra Titharu. This intellectual gathering evolved into a grand knowledge assembly, that is Jnana Shastra, bringing immeasurable joy to all those who attended. Even after the completion of Chaturmasya, Sri Raghavendra Swami remained in Srirangam for 6 to 7 months, continuing his discourses and teachings. Finally, upon concluding this spiritual assembly, he offered the merits, that is, Phalasamarpana, of this sacred endeavor to Lord Sriranganatha. Seeking the divine permission of the Lord, he resumed his northern journey, embarking on his Digvijaya, that is, spiritual conquest. As he departed from Srirangam, he travelled to Namagiri, that is, Namakkal, where he offered his prayers to Lord Narasimha. After seeking blessings and spending the night in devotion, he continued his journey the next morning, reaching Banavara, that is, Vellore, marking another milestone in his spiritual expedition. Hari Om. Om Sri Krishnarpanamastu.